Good morning, children. Are you happy? I know you are all waiting for Max TP. So today we can revise what all things we learned up to last class. First we can discuss last class's homework question. The question was, draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and a point Q in its exterior. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? Let us see the answer. Here I draw a triangle ABC and mark a point P inside that triangle. Inside means interior of that triangle. And next I plot a point Q outside that triangle. Outside means exterior. Last part of the question was, is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? The point A lies neither interior nor exterior. It is on the triangle. We can start our revision. First term you learned from this chapter was point. A point determines a location. A point is usually denoted by capital letters. In the given figure we can see 5 points. They are A, B, C, D and O. Next term, line segment. A line segment is the shortest distance between 2 points. In the given figure we can see 6 line segments. They are AB, AO, OB, CD, CO and OD. Next term, line. How will you get a line? Yes, a line is obtained when you extend a line segment on both sides endlessly. In the given figure, you can see 2 lines. But we can name these 2 lines in different ways. We can name line AB in other 2 ways also. That is, we can name it as AO or OB. Similarly, line CD also called as CO and OD. Next term, intersecting lines. If 2 lines meet at a point, then the 2 lines are called intersecting lines. In the given figure, the 2 lines AB and CD meet at O. So, we can call the 2 lines as intersecting lines. Next term, ray. A ray is also a part of a line, but it starts in one point and goes in other direction endlessly. Here you can see 4 rays. OB, OC, OA and OD. Remember one thing, when you write names of line, line segment and ray, you should draw corresponding line, line segment and ray respectively on the top of their names, as I write here. Next term, parallel lines. 2 lines in a plane are said to be parallel if they do not meet. Here, line L and M are parallel lines. Next term, curves. Any drawing done without lifting the pencil may be called as a curve. You already learned different types of curves. First type is simple curve. A simple curve means it does not cross itself. Here, second, third and fourth curves are examples for simple curves. But first curve is not simple because it crosses itself. Next, closed curve. If ends of a curve are joined, then that curve are called closed curve. Here, circle is example for closed curve. If ends of a curve is not joined, then that curves are called open curves. Here, second and fourth curves are examples for open curves. Next term, polygon. A polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segment. Triangle is the smallest polygon. Here I give one example. Next term, angles. An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common initial point. This is an angle formed by two rays OA and OB. We can name this angle in three ways as angle O, angle AOB or angle BOA. Next term, triangles. Triangle is the smallest polygon having three sides and three angles. PQ, QR and RP are the three sides and angle P, angle Q, angle R are the three angles of the given triangle. We write the symbol triangle PQR instead of writing triangle PQR in words. Dear children, don't forget to write today's test paper. It will be conducted between 7:30 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. All of you study well and get full marks. Thank you children. Best wishes.